This video will demonstrate how to use the CyberPowerPC flat pack packaging solution. So now that you've got your flat pack packaging, the first thing you'll need to do is open the box and take out the contents. Inside you'll find the external box and a cardboard sleeve with the extras, such as expanding foam and parcel tape. Now you'll need to assemble the box, so take off the paper wrapping, pop the box into shape and put some tape on the bottom to keep the PC secure. Next you'll need to put the expanding foam inside of the PC, so grab one of the small pouches and your PC. You'll need to be quick once the foam starts expanding, so it's important to have the PC ready. Don't worry if you mess up the first attempt, there's a second foam in the box for any mistakes. Remove the side panel, pop the expanding foam by applying pressure to the chemical bags in a left and right motion. Once you feel the pop, quickly insert the foam inside of the PC and hold the side panel down tightly for it to take form. Then screw the side panel back on. Now that the PC is assembled and the PC is internally packaged, it's time to create the foam that's going to hold the PC in place. Just like internal foam, we'll need to be quick. And once the foam starts expanding, we've only got a few seconds to get it right. Remove the cover from the 3M tape inside of the box. That's where the expanding foam is going to stick to the bottom of the box. Unwrap and place the large foam bag on the floor. Pop the expanding foam by pressing firmly on the L and R in a left and right motion. Grab your PC and place it firmly on top of the foam, making sure it's right in the center. And you should see the foam expanding around it. Now we'll need to take the second expanding foam and create the top part. It's exactly the same as before, but this time you'll need to place it on top of the PC and prepare to hold the box firmly whilst it expands. Once the top layer of foam is installed and the box has taken shape, you'll just need to apply some final tape around the box to keep it all secure and ready to be shipped. Thanks for watching, and if you have any concerns, then feel free to give our customer service team a call on the number in the description.